victory. I'm gonna make your praises loud. The enemy has been defeated. Death couldn't hold you down. I'm gonna lift our voice in victory. I'm gonna make your praises loud. 'Cause the enemy has been defeated. Death couldn't hold you down. We're gonna lift our voice in.
This is my faith. This is what God made me. Na in the past, even though I've sinned, I've struggled, tumayo ako, umahon ako sa tubig, and I am a new creation now. And that time, siguro ito na yung the best summer ever. Yun lang.
Gusto kong matanggal pa yung ibang sins sa akin, kaya gusto kong magpa-baptize. I want to proclaim that God is my personal Savior and Lord.
Baptism nga, parang nung naisip ko, hindi pa ako sure kasi nga Catholic ako, tapos hindi, ayaw ng parents ko, lalo na yung dad ko, na umaattend nga ako ng church. Tas yun, nung nakasama ko yung Hope Chapel Metro family, dun sumaya yung buhay ko. Dun naging complete yung life ko, tas dun ko na
Tigilan mo.
Doon ko nakilala si Lord. Tsaka simula nung nag-hook ako, doon ako natutong mag-pray mag-isa. Tapos nagpapasalamat ako kay EJ, kay Ate Van, kay Kuya Mike, Ate Ness, sa lahat, dahil pinunta nila ako dito at naging buo yung buhay ko. Kaya masasabi ko lang, Lord, this is it! This is really is it!